Hey, what's good, my beautiful people? It is your boy Luntu, the most chilled. And today, guys, I'm with my brother him. It's besacela uzazise ebantwini.
Yeah, guys, lona uSiphe wala Imbalenhle Mpumalanga.
Danko. Siyaphakamisa MP Imbalenhle. Mfethu, mina ngiyakubona uyaconsa, ngiyakubona mfethu uswenkile mfethu. So today bengicela mfethu we go through i-drip check yakho mfethu, yangibamba. So qala from ey'cathulweni mfethu, then you're gonna tell us ukuthi what are you wearing up until mfethu ekhanda mfethu selele start.
Okay, awuthami lana Air Force,
Okay,
Makaus, Nike,
danko.
lana tracksuit,
Danko.
Nike, yabo,
Yeah.
Anatum.
Okay. Ne siyaphakamisa mfethu. So I wanna ask you my brother ukuthi njengoba ugqoke kahle kanje mfethu, you know, who is your inspiration in terms of i-drip la eSouth Africa?
Okay, mina ngikutshela awuthami.
Yeah.
Oscar Mboni.
Oscar Mbo.
Yeah.
Yak-inspire mfethu.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you were to collab with Oscar Mbo in terms of fashion, bongathanda ukuthi mhlambe nigqoke kanjani mhlambe like iset yenu mhlambe, maybe if you were to collab with him nama-photo shoot mhlambe, is it formal, is it semi-formal, is it just chill vibes nje ngendlela ogqoke ngayo mfethu?
Hayi formal awuthami.
Formal ne?
Formal.
On mfethu, on. And then mfethu, one last question mfethu. What would you say to abantu abakulalela mfethu who are also inspired in terms of ukugqoka mfethu? Like just nje i-message nje short nje yabo mfethu, abantu abafuna nabo mfethu ukudripha babe on mfethu.
Athi ngizokutshela ukuthi yabo amajita adwaki yagezwa.
Yageza, uthenga impahla ezi-fresh.
Gcoke nje
Yeah.
simple njenge-out.
Ne.
Kube simple.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Danko
Be
bafethu,
out.
hayi ne siyabonga mfethu. Danko.